What's up, guys? Welcome to the Real Building. And now I'm playing Gunfight Arena. Like you guys told me. Yeah, I wasn't here before because I was busy and I wasn't have time to record. But now I'm here, and I'm playing Gunfight Arena. So yeah, sit back and have fun. Now we're playing here, and we are close to 50 subs and do a live stream. So why not subscribe if you don't? If you don't subscribe, if you're not subscribing, just subscribe, okay? It helps a lot. And so Muhammad before anything. So where are them? Wait, I see someone. I see someone. Nah, bro. I think it's always young to kill. From any game. From any game. Bad Wars or Gunfight Arena, any game. They just young the kills. By the way, I play the game, sometimes I play the game, so I know a lot. I know a lot about this game. Wait, hold on. Oh, double kill! Bruh. How'd he got me? Wait, hold on. So, now I can. Where is it? Okay. Yoink. Always. Did you see what he typed? Look at that chat. Look at it. Okay, that was a bad joke. To be honest, yeah. Hey, you! Got her. Got both. Got them 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Oh, I'm the number 6 in the leaderboard. Nah, bro. Nah. No, it is this. Well. Who do we have here? Come here, boy! Okay. He got me. Bro just got instant kill. Okay. I'm the number 5 on the leaderboard. 6? No, I'm not 11. Come here. I spawn killing. I don't care. No. This is a PC player. I can tell. Well, I'm here again. Ah, yoinked. Oh, I got instant kill. Where is it? Where is it? Where are you guys? Party. Exotic butters. Come here. I'm here again. Oh my god. Nah. Okay. I'm missing it again because I'm tired. I'm tired. What? Whatever it takes, I'm going to kill it. I didn't, but at least he got killed. You know what? I'm cheating sweating. I'm cheating it. Oh, Jesus. Well, not, and sounds not bad for me. We'll try it and see if it's working or not. Here we go. Yo! That's a lot of damage. Okay, here's someone. Just keep my distance. I had enough. Really enough. Run. Where is he? Players. Dun, 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 dun. Where is he? I Finally, killed someone. That's something. No, bro. What? Okay, I've had enough. Where's that guy? Where is he? Don't kill me, bro. Finally, kill both. I'm low. What like? This game are making me rage so hard. Okay. Wait, is there no? Is there? Guys, tell me down below if there's any free spins, okay? And tell me if there's. Uh, like always, like subscribe, okay? Uh, yeah, there is. Oh my god. I need to get the what is called the jackpot. I want to get it. No. No. No, this sucks. This sucks. Oh my god, I'm going to have a lot of this game. What? Wait, I'll try it. Oh my god! That is the kill. Wait, isn't I here? No. This guy has aimbot. This guy has aimbot. Like, how the freaking did he got me from the walls? You're running! Okay, I think this game we're going to. Oh. Oh, gee, channel. Okay, that sounds good for me. Bruh, I didn't got. No. I got only 3 kills and I'm not here anymore. Okay. Be banned. Okay, I think this is the end of this video. Don't like to, don't, bruh, I forgot. Oh my god. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. And tell me a lot of ideas in Bad Wars or in this game or any game you want, okay? So yeah, like and subscribe and tell me a lot of videos, a lot of and bruh, and tell me a lot of video ideas. So yeah, bye.